Hello Willing Hand, this is Abigail, also known as Two Willing Hand, and on my channel is strictly about teaching other women to have willing hands just like I do. And in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do the closed shell stitch. This stitch is absolutely beautiful, and this stitch is best worn on a scarf, a cowl, a bag, a top, anything that you desire to make. This stitch is the one. I will be using a 3.0mm hook for this one, just to show you how to do it. And this is a 3.5 ounce yarn, weight yarn, sorry. So without further ado, let's get straight into this tutorial to see how to do this beautiful stitch. So we are going to start off with a slip knot. This is how I put mine on. And a closed shell stitch consists of multiples of 6 plus 2. Three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 18 chains so far. 5, 6, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's 30 times 2. 1, 2. Now in the second chain, single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, skip 2 chains, 1, 2, yarn over, and go into the third chain, yarn over, and you're going to create 5 double crochets, okay? Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull for 2, yarn over, pull for 2. I'm going to do 3 more. That's 5 altogether. Skip 2 chains and then go into the next one. Do a single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, skip 2 again into the third one, yarn over and do 5 double crochets. So this is what we're going to do all the way to the end. Okay, 4, 5. There we go. Now repeat, skip 2 into the third, 5 double crochets. I've got one more. Okay. A single crochet should be at the end, so if you start with a single crochet, you must end on a single crochet. So this is it so far. Now chain 1 and do 3 double crochets in the first single crochet. So this is what you would do every single round whenever you end on a single crochet, okay? Then skip 2 stitches into the center of the shawl, do a single crochet. At the top of the single crochet, 5 double crochets to create a shawl. The center of the shawl, so the center would be the 3rd double crochet, and then 5 double crochets into the single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 1 single crochet on the top of the 3rd double crochet, 5 double crochets. Oops. Now in the last stitch you should only do 3 double crochets, and then you will repeat the first row on top of the second row, and after you've done the 3rd row you will repeat the 2nd row on top of the 4th row. Okay, the first row we started off with a single crochet and ended up on a single crochet. The 2nd row we started off with a chain of 1, and then we did 3 double crochets, and then on top of the 3rd double crochet you do a single. On top of every single crochet you do 5 doubles, and the end of that row should be 3 double crochets. So that means you will start with a single crochet, okay? So each row, single, 3 double crochet, single crochet, 3 double crochet. That's how it is done. So when you start on the single crochet on top of the first double crochet, just go straight into the single crochet and do 5. And that is literally it. So I'm going to complete some more and we should see how it looks at the end, okay? So I have completed some more rows and this is the finished product. It is a very beautiful stitch. And if you find that you might be stuck in the beginning, like at the beginning of each rows, always look at the stitches before it to help you. So for instance, you could be here, you did a single crochet right here, so maybe you're trying to figure out, okay, what do I put here? Is it another single crochet or 3 double crochets? Well, if you look before you will see that you would have to put a single crochet right here. So automatically that should make you think, I cannot do 2 single crochets. That means there has to be half of the fan here and then a single crochet. Okay, hopefully that helps. So this is that and that is that, if that makes sense. Absolutely love this stitch, one of my favorites right now. Okay, so there we have it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to give it a thumbs up and feel free to comment down below on any other, requested tutorial that you would like me to do, and we shall have it done for you. Also, please share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are aware of every time I upload, and others as well, not just only my channel. So until next time, bye willing hands.